Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Facebook notification keep repeating. Let's get started. So, for that, first of all, you need to go ahead and simply open up Facebook. Inside Facebook, simply tap on your profile icon. Then tap on settings like icon right over here. Scroll below, tap on notifications. And just like that, make sure your notification preferences are set correctly. Ensure you're not subscribed to any multiple notifications for the same events. Adjust these settings as needed to prevent duplicates. After that, make sure you are using the latest version of Facebook app. Open up the App Store. In the search bar, simply search for Facebook. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. If this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Updating the app can fix bugs that may be causing the notification issue. Now, head back to Facebook again and just like that, scroll below and then tap on logout. Once you log out of your account, log back in again. This can reset any notification glitches. And if the problem still continues, you can simply long press on Facebook, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete again. Once deleted, open the App Store and then reinstall Facebook. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the notification to repeat. After reinstalling, you can log back into your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with repeating notifications on Facebook. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.